Friday night and we've arrived in the dark. It was quite a testing time, wasn't it? Getting here.
9 miles of single track road and a flood along the way, which we were a bit scared about, but in the end it only turned out to be about that deep. But you know, it was pitch black, so... You know.
And what else did you do, Andy?
What else did I do?
You drove up a road.
Oh yeah.
It was like a single track dirt track.
And it was the wrong way.
So we
had
had
to reverse out.
And I had to go on the main road trying to stop traffic. Luckily there wasn't any traffic at the time, but there was loads before.
So it was an interesting journey here, wasn't it?
So we have a drink to say cheers. Friday, and it's a weekend away. It's only been 3 weeks. We've got the dinner on. Oh, we need to get a skillet. And out there, where it's really dark, can you hear the water? We're right next to the water. But apparently it's 5 foot away. So, and it's assured me it's going to be fine.
It's got to rise at least 5 feet before we have to start worrying about it.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, shall we?
No, I just mean it's an old crumpy pan.
Michelle just said my food looks rubbish. I feel like chicken tonight. It's been a long time since I've had this. Probably about 10 years. No, maybe more than that. Don't think we've ever had chicken tonight, have we?
No, we're getting a skillet, babe, so we can do more variants of foods.
A bit more adventurous.
Yeah. Well, we're currently in a pub car park, so we have no electric at all, do we? Apart from obviously what we've got. So we're being self-sufficient. Obviously got water.
Off grid.
Just at the side of us.
I know. Can't believe I filled up with water before we came.
Oh. Good morning. We've woken up at the bridges in Shropshire, and this is what we tried to show you last night. Stream. We're off to the pub in a moment for a big breakfast before we do our bike ride. What are you hoping for?
Well, don't you see the menu, do I? It's breakfast is full breakfast, full English.
And I'm hoping for some eggs with hollandaise sauce, but I'm not sure I'll get that. Might just be an poached egg on toast. We'll see.
Well, it's always nice to get out on when you arrive after a dark night, isn't it? And look at this, it's absolutely beautiful here. Lovely pub. Aptly named with all the bridges around it and the water. Yeah, and we're off now to get some breakfast. High hopes.
Let's go and have a look.
Looks like you've made yourself comfortable.
Roaring fire.
I'll pick that first thing in the morning. Wow, what a view here. Over the Shropshire hills. Sheep's in the background. There's the river. All we need now is our breakfast. Yeah. I remember you saying actually.
Well, unfortunately, we totally forgot to video the breakfast, but how was it?
Oh, it was smashing.
Smashing. Did you enjoy your
Black pudding
stew?
looked a little bit.
That black pudding? That was lovely.
Wasn't it?
Yeah, I liked it.
Don't do black pudding. But other than that, it's perfect.
So we've had our breakfast and we're heading off. Where are we going? I don't know where we're going.
Up the hill, over towards Church Stretton, up and down the spine of the hill there, and we're just taking it as it comes from there.
Brilliant.
See what happens.
I just love the scenery. Oh, can I get going? Yes. Look. Out in the countryside. I love it.
We're out with the Motorhome Extreme Motorhomes. Yeah, man. This kind of weather, we laughing the face off.
Oh,
Storm, ho hey!
Bring it on!
Who are you? Ho hey!
Well, we're up Hale now. Another sheltering stop. Halfway round, just over.
We've all got big grins on our faces.
We need a coffee shop.
We do need a coffee shop.
Where are we, babe?
Bishop's Castle! So stopped at a coffee shop. Thought we'd have a nice hot coffee because we've had hail and snow and wind.
And she's had sausage roll.
Now on a sandwich.
Salad.
Oh yeah, salad.
E-bikes on water. Seem to be okay, thankfully.
Well, we've made it back. Andy's put the bikes back in the garage. Filthy, covered in mud. It's time for a scone, clotted cream and jam, I feel. I think we've earned it, babes, you?
Yeah, I've had no food since breakfast.
Leave me hanging. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely ready for this. Oh, now this is where we differ. What are you? Cream and jam?
Or jam and cream.
I'm clearly right.
Devon way, Cornish way.
I'm still right.
That's him, do that.
Hello. Just a bit of a sampling session going on here.
What's your coats?
So, there's actually 5 different varieties here.
Oh, no.
Those 2 are the triple X's. That's fruit and nut.
Cheers, Andy.
Cheers.
Sorry, I've got.
He's going to do
I've
Steve.
got it's my hearing.
Go on then, Steve.
What are we saying, Stephen?
I like that.
Oh, that's quite
That one's nice.
This one is the signature signature beer for the pub. If you see all the signs outside, it's triple X.
Oh, the triple, I've seen the sign outside. Yeah. What do you think? Which one did you have?
Same time.
What did you think?
Very nice, thank you. Very nice.
Very nice.
This is the fruit and nut.
Oh, I need it to be chocolate.
No, that's not.
That one's something else. I think that one's the nut and food. That one.
Try that one. A disaster here. Lady needs the toilet and belt stuck. Oh, we're going to have to cut it. It's cool. It's because it's that needs.
Oh, that one.
Wash fingers.
Oh, you're eating.
That was tight. You pulled that way too tight.
Thank you.
Disaster averted.